In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and export reports in QuickBooks using Intuit. This comprehensive guide is perfect for those who want to efficiently extract important financial data for further analysis or record keeping. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. To start off, let's get ourselves on the QuickBooks dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll begin your journey into the many powerful tools QuickBooks has to offer. Here, you're likely familiar with the overview of your business's finances, but our focus is going to be on accessing the reports. Next, you'll want to click on the Reports tab. This is one of the key resources on your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, reports in QuickBooks can range from basic profit and loss statements to more specific reports, such as sales by product or service. Selecting the right report is critical to obtaining the insights you need. Once you're there, it's time to click on the specific report you're interested in. Now, choosing the correct report depends on what specific data you're looking to analyze or review. QuickBooks offers a variety of default reports, so make sure to pick the one that aligns best with your current needs, whether it's a sales summary or a detailed transaction list. This is your chance to really dig into the numbers. After you've selected the report you want to work with, you should see an option that says Export. Clicking this button takes you to the next step where you can choose how you'd like to handle this data outside the QuickBooks system. Exporting is particularly useful for sharing data with team members or integrating it into other software for deeper analysis. Within the export options, you'll want to click Export to Excel. This step will transform your report into an Excel format, providing you with a familiar spreadsheet structure that is highly customizable. Whether you need to perform additional calculations, create graphs, or compile data from multiple reports, Excel is a versatile tool that supports these needs. And just like that, your selected report will be exported. You can then open the Excel file to verify that everything has been captured properly. It's always a good idea to double-check that the data transferred correctly, ensuring you have the most accurate and complete information before proceeding with additional work or sharing it with others. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently export valuable report data from QuickBooks to Excel. This process not only enhances your ability to analyze your business's financial health, but also provides flexibility in how you share and utilize your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide boosts your productivity and understanding of QuickBooks reporting tools.